As a seller of real estate, what can you expect? Well, you place your house on the market, either for sale by owner or you obtain the services of a realtor. You show your home. You let a buyer see the inside, do a little tour, publish in the newspaper, place it on MLS. If you find a satisfactory buyer and it's a person that meets your price and they have good credit and you feel warm and fuzzy and they make an offer and you accept, then as a seller, you have to obtain an attorney to prepare a contract of sale. As a real estate attorney, and I handle other areas, but I am so experienced in real estate. At one point, I owned a RE/MAX franchise. I hold my broker's license. I've been involved in 1,000 real estate deals, maybe more. I'll tell you this statistic. From 97 to 2002, I participated in 500 closings. I was either the buyer's attorney, or the seller's attorney. I didn't represent a bank. And then since 2002, I've just been doing it year after year. So I can prepare a contract of sale for you. What do? We use a pre-printed contract of sale that has all of the proper and appropriate fill-in-the-blanks, because every deal has the name of a seller. Every deal has the name of a buyer. Every deal has a price, a deposit, a mortgage amount, the type of property it is, 1 family, 2 family, 6 family. And we have a proposed closing date. We have paragraphs about certificate of occupancies and mortgage and closing date and liens and violations, all sorts of things. And then I have a prepared rider that I use in every, because as much as that contract hits most of the points of a contract of sale, I additionally modify the contract with my rider. So as a seller, I prepare that contract of sale specific with the information in the transaction, and then I send it to the buyer. The buyer's lawyer reviews it with the buyer, makes proposed changes or amendments. We usually have a conversation. We follow up an email back and forth sometimes, and then when I get it back with the deposit, the seller then, once we're in contract, what are the obligations of the seller? Probably find a new place to live. Not in the contract, but you need to be somewhere. Clear violations, if any, and pay the obligations of the property. So get a mortgage payoff, see if there's any open water or taxes, and make it vacant. Clear out all of the stuff of life, your belongings, and the accumulated junk that might be in the basement or the garage. And that's about it. And then at closing, the seller has to sign the deed and pay transfer tax. So there is tax to be paid, a state and a city tax. And that's about it. If you have questions, reach out. If you need an attorney, I'm here for you. FrankBrunoLaw.com.